Hello, athletes and sports fans. Here's how to get a free Dick's Sporting Goods promo code in a few simple steps. Go to easycoupon.co/Dicks using your browser. This reliable site always has the latest codes to help you save on sports gear. Enter your email address, select your device, Android or iOS, and click Continue to start generating your code. To confirm you're a real person, download 2 free apps from the App Store. These apps are safe and used by millions. Open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps might require registration or reaching level 9 in a game. After completing these steps, your promo code will be sent straight to your email. Let's fast forward through the process. And there it is. My Dick's Sporting Goods promo code is ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more savings tips. Enjoy your shopping!